Hi guys, this is Mr. Yan. Just wanted to say hi to you guys. It's been a while. Hopefully you had a great Chinese New Year holiday. I know that given the circumstances, it's a little bit interesting to be able to, not see each other face to face. But I hope that you'll take opportunity in this next month to be able to do some work at home. Don't get easily frustrated with some of the stuff that I've planned out for you guys. It is going to require a lot of patience and for you to just try your best. It's going to take you out of your comfort zone a little bit. But as we talked about a little bit before we left for the holidays, I wanted us to start an assistive design project. And this assistive design project is something that it means a lot. I think it helps us to think about others that are around us. Perhaps it's going to be one of those things that you take advantage of and try for this first project so that you get an idea of what it feels like to be in other people's shoes. And so I'm going to post some videos about empathy and assistive design and what that looks like. There are going to be some online tutorials to help you walk through how to create some of these things on the design programs. You're going to have an opportunity to use Tinkercad, and you also have an opportunity to use Fusion 360. We downloaded Fusion 360 on our laptops. Most of us had it, but some of us didn't have it. Follow the link that I'm going to post below to be able to access that ICS one-to-one program, Fusion 360 download instructions. And once you finish that, you'll have access to your Autodesk email account, which is your school email. So you should use that when you access Tinkercad, and I'll try to post something to help you to navigate that as well. So yeah, just work through some of the tutorials that are on there. There are going to be 3 modules set up for you on a website that I've created. So use that to be able to kind of work through each of the steps one by one. And if you have any questions, please let me know at any time, and I'll try my best to respond to you as quick as possible. But yeah, this is an opportunity just for exploration, for you to think outside of the box, for you to consider other people's needs and empathy. What does it mean to be in other people's shoes, and how do you create or design something to help others who are in need? And so, especially in this current situation and where we are right now in Hong Kong, I think this is a great way for us to remember. Although sometimes we go through difficult times on our own, and we're not sure what to expect. That's some uncertainty. That we should continue to be in prayer for those people, as well as finding ways to think outside of ourselves. And so, I hope this project gives you an opportunity to think about some things and to find ways to help others, and to be able to use your creativity and your skills to do a good job. So looking forward to seeing what you guys create, and also looking forward to seeing you guys in about a month when you guys get back. Take care, and I'm praying for you, thinking about you guys. Have a good month off, and yeah, let me know if you have any questions. Thanks. Bye.